Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your phone might be secure, your apps might be protected, but what if the real vulnerability isn't your iPhone or Android device at all? What if it's your SIM card? Most people never think about their SIM, yet it's the tiny chip that connects your number to the mobile network. If someone takes control of it, they don't need your phone, they become you. One of the biggest threats today is something called SIM swapping. This is when a scammer convinces your mobile carrier to transfer your phone number to a new SIM card they control. Once that happens, your phone suddenly loses signal and there's lights up with your number. From there, they can intercept SMS verification codes, reset passwords, and break into your email, banking apps, and social media accounts. It sounds extreme, but it happens more often than people realize. Companies like AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile have all dealt with SIM swap fraud cases over the years. The attack doesn't require hacking your phone. It targets the human element, customer service. If a scammer has enough of your personal information, they may convince a representative to activate a new SIM card under your number. So how do you stop this right now? First, contact your carrier and add a SIM lock or port out protection to your account. Many providers allow you to set a unique PIN or passcode that must be verified before any SIM changes are made. This single step dramatically reduces your risk. Second, stop relying solely on SMS-based two-factor authentication. While convenient, text message verification codes can be intercepted during a SIM swap. Instead, use authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. These generate codes directly on your device and aren't tied to your phone number. Third, be alert for warning signs. If your phone suddenly shows no service, or you stop receiving calls and texts unexpectedly, act immediately. Call your carrier from another phone and verify your account status. The faster you respond, the better your chances of preventing damage. You should also reduce the amount of personal information available about you online. Scammers often gather details from social media profiles, data leaks, and public records to impersonate you. Lock down your privacy settings and be cautious about sharing sensitive information. Your SIM card may be small, but it holds massive power. It's the key to your digital identity. Protecting it isn't optional anymore, it's essential. Take a few minutes today to secure your mobile account, add a PIN, and upgrade your authentication methods. Because in the digital world, control over your number means control over your life. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.